Let's recall the cause in climate change. It's not as difficult as what you think.
Greenhouse gases in the air warm the globe and make us scared. Carbon dioxide make temperature rise. The effect of methane gas is even higher.
The season winter will say goodbye.
More typhoon and sea level rise. The Niño effect could cool down the weather. El Nino effect could make the earth warmer. Natural cycle is interrupted by human factor.
Let's take actions to make our earth better.
Factory farmings cut down the logs, cause soil erosions and water loss.
So we need another energy source.
Renewable energies helps a lot. Nuclear power is clean and cheap,
but radiation leakage is a risk.
Uranium sprits is nuclear fission, while hydrogen bomb is nuclear fusion. Pressurized water reactor is safer.
Too what to do, design is better.
Moderations change the rate of splitting. Temperature is regulated by cooling. Nuclear safety is the top of all. Concrete structures protect the core. Sun energy carries by photons, heat the PV cells and move electrons. Solar power is also renewable,
but it is not reliable. Cloudy day lower light intensity.
Hot temperature drops the efficiency. Series connects the PV cell. A single problem will make it fails, but voltage can rise and save the cost.
Because smaller currents can drop the loss.
Wind energy is also popular. Its operations is simpler than solar. When air flow past the blade, the pressure difference makes it rotate. Power is proportional to area and density multiplied by the cube of velocity. Electric car is quiet and clean. No roadside emissions, so it is green. The normal charging time may be long. Fast charging stations demand is strong. Vehicle to grid could be a solution, but charge and discharge may speed up pollution.
When the battery life is end, casual disposal must be banned.
A new technology could solve a problem, but it may cause another new problem. Smart grid enable energy renewable is turned intermittency supply into stable. Consumer could turn into a supplier, sell energy back to the generator. Smart grid network needs smart meters. Measure the power flow and optimize better. Don't forget smart meter security,
or else you may lose your privacy.
Our city is reached by air pollution. It's not only caused by car emissions. Under sunlight is a photochemical reaction. PM 2.5 is formed and trapped by thermal immersion. While people are getting more wealthy, our environment becomes less healthy. Rubbish are thrown everywhere. Landfill can be found anywhere. Bacterial aerobic respirations cause carbon emissions, but methane is produced from anaerobic respirations. Utilized methane from landfill could generate power better than burning coal as there's no dust powder.
Reducing emission is not sufficient.
Carbon capture and storage has to be efficient. The coronavirus knocked us at home.
Don't worry, you are not alone. Learn climate change together with your mobile phone. Turn our city to an emission-free zone.